like special thanks to this company, Hipykat, for sending us their toothbrush sterilizer. So this is an intelligent toothbrush sterilizer. The product model is the JY-YS03. Has a 2000 milliamp hour battery and it only weighs 225 grams. Nothing to really show you around the box here. That's just the front with their logo, and that's, I mean, you already saw the back. So let's open this up and take a look at it. Looks like it'll slide out of the sleeve. Interesting. All right. Yeah, there it goes. Look at that. And then they even have a little, wow, got a little tab here to grab and then opens you up to this. Very nice. Very nice presentation. Even got a tab here so you can easily pull out this box, which I don't know what's in here. We're about to find out. A cable. That's just a cable. So a USB Type-C cable for charging up this. And then inside of this is a nice user's guide. Tells you what all the buttons do and how it actually works. Very nice. And then lastly, of course, is the actual toothbrush sterilizer. That's it for this fancy box. So inside of here we have the toothbrush sterilizer. It has nice double-sided tape here so that you could easily stick it to something, or it looks like there's actually a way to mount this because there is definitely holes there underneath it. See? Oh yeah, so that comes off. So yeah, you could either wall mount this with screws or use the double-sided tape. That's kind of up to you. I noticed that looked weird. Now it looks like the charging port is here on the side, and really outside of that, you just put your toothbrushes in here and hit your power button. And then this will sterilize the toothbrushes. Very, very nice. Well, thanks again to this company for sending us this toothbrush sterilizer. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.